anyone can passively get paid from the comfort of their home for their large number of social media following. But you just have to know the right website where you have to go on to sell this following to make money passively for yourself. And in today's video, I'm going to unveil this website to you guys and even show you guys how celebrities are capitalizing on these opportunities to earn passively for themselves. But before then, my name is Collins King, and what I do on this channel is I go source out great ways on how anybody can make money online, entrepreneurship, side hustle. I vet these updates out, I do the research, and I bring the end product back to my viewers so we all can make money together. Now, the only thank you give to me is to kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this, and also give this video a thumbs up so we can push it out to as much people as possible looking for ways to make money online. Now, without wasting much time, let's head on to the screen so I can show you guys how anyone can start earning passively from the comfort of their home, leveraging on the large number of social media followers. Okay, so the name of the platform is called shoutcats.com, where you can earn from your influence. So just like I said initially, you can actually earn from your large number of social media following, right? And you can come on this platform, sign on this platform to become part of the Shoutcat team and earn with them. And the good part is they have hundreds of campaigns, so they always have people that are willing to want to do advertise their product or put their social media platform out there. So you always have people that you're working with or people that you're going to be doing shout out for. And another good thing is the fact that you don't even have to have a large number of social media following to start. Right, initially I was thinking you'd have to have some sort of large number of social media following, but here we can see low fees and no minimum follower count required, so everyone can participate, right? And also you can get paid directly to your bank account, your PayPal if you have a PayPal, and they use credit cards as well, which is very interesting. And in a moment I'm going to show you guys how celebrities are also capitalizing on these opportunities. So right here we can see how celebrities like Akon, Ludacris, this Martin Lawrence, all these people have their profile or their page verified on this platform where they can also come on do shout outs, right? And they are earning passively for themselves. So you can see Akon has around 100, he's charging around $195. You can see Ludacris is charging $150. You can see a couple of people are doing, this is $100, this is $35. Right, you don't have to have some sort of like ridiculous amount of following to actually get started, as we saw initially. This is like 503k subscribers and it's charging like $89, right? This person is doing $1,500, right? This person is doing $69. This person has just 48.7k subscribers and they are willing to do some sort of shout out for you, which is really interesting. Right, we can see this is like 3.3 million subscribers or followers. I don't know what this is, but this person is charging around $404 to help you do some sort of shout out. So in a moment I'm going to show you guys how you can actually register to get started on this platform. And if you want to do that, right, you just scroll down here and you come here where it says for influencers. You click on it and it's going to bring you to this page, right? So here you can see your login information. You put in your username, you put in your desired email, your desired password, you confirm the password, you choose your time zone. So let's assume that you are in Nigeria or you are in wherever, but if you're in Nigeria you can just use Lagos as your time zone. I think Lagos should be here. Okay, you can see Lagos, or in whatever part of the world you're in. This is Cairo for Egypt. Do that, and here where it says seller information, you're going to click on seller, which is creator, influencer, freelancer. You're selling a service, right, rather than buy, right? Because if you're buying, that means you want other people to do a shout out for your social media platform or for your brand or for whatever it is that you want to get out there, all right? And so you can put in your phone number, put in your KIK details, put in your Telegram, put in your Skype, click on I'm not a robot, and you click on I agree to the terms of services. You click on register. Now once you click on register, they're going to send you an email, right? And all you just have to do is follow the instructions on that email and then your account is going to be set up, right? Here's another beautiful thing, just in case you might be feeling very overwhelmed to sell your social media following. Here's another way that you can actually earn money for yourself. Just scroll down here and you can see here where it says all gig and services. You can click on all gig and services, and if you have some sort of digital skill sets that can be monetized, like helping people grow their TikTok organically, or social media management, or whatever it is, helping people make thumbnails, you can come on here and sell those services to make an extra bucks for yourself. So you can see this person says, I will grow and promote TikTok organically for $20. This is 10 days delivery. This person says professional organic social media growth for $500. This is 30 days delivery. This person says YouTube video editing for $50, 2 days delivery. So if you have that kind of skill set as well, look at this person is doing like graphic design, social media graphic design for $15, 2 days delivery. So this is just like Fiverr. This particular page is just like Fiverr, where you can go on to offer some sort of like freelancing services. So if you also have those kind of skill set, you can come on here and offer them, and together with leveraging on your social media following to earn money passively for yourself. Okay, now this is a great way that anyone can passively make money for themselves, especially if you have some sort of large social media followings. And I even showed you guys how celebrities are capitalizing on these opportunities. So why not you? Yeah. And if you decide to want to engage with this platform, do well to do your own due diligence. Now we've come to the end of today's video, and if you gained any sort of value, do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this, and also give this video a thumbs up so we can push it out to as much people as possible looking for ways to make money online. Now with all of that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Be well, be safe, and also let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. I'm out.